We put some fire to snow, and we've seen that it began to turn black, and there was no water dripping from it. As you can see, right? It's getting smaller in the area where the fire is, but no water dripping from it. But now, the issue is, and you see if you look closely, it's a little black or what have you. The reason for this is I spoke to a scientist, a PhD scientist, and he explained to me that what's happening is that each snowflake, because it's six-sided, but no snowflake that's the same size, what happens is when you pack it together, what begins to happen is that there are air pockets that get trapped inside as you do it. So what goes on is, as you light it, the snow evaporates, and as it evaporates, the air goes inside and gets trapped into the air pockets inside. But if you keep it there long, or if you pack it very well, you'll begin to see that the water will begin to drip. I'm trying to get some more fire. Please forgive me. But if you watch closely and you keep it there long enough, you'll begin to see that the water will begin to drip eventually. As you see it getting smaller and smaller, it's turning black because of the butane that's in the lighter. And of course, my lighter would like to die in the time that, of course, I need to do this.
Yeah.
Okay. If you watch closely, because I didn't pack it very, very, very tight, you're gonna see it's gonna take a while for the air, but as it gets smaller and smaller,
Water dripped into it.
water dripped into this. Okay.
That's why it went out.
So as the air pockets begin to go away, the longer we have it there, the less air pockets. If you start getting so close, maybe the air won't go away.
Because the light is bright, so you can't really see it.
Back up. Now I did this the other day as it was told to me, so I began to see it. But what's going on is that the air is getting smaller and smaller, so all of the air is evaporating. It's going into the air pockets inside of the snow. I'm trying to get it to the point where we have enough heat so that as it gets smaller, you'll see the water begin to drip towards the back of it. Okay, so now if you see, as I squeeze it tighter, all the water begins to squeeze out of it, because now there's less and less air pockets inside, so now it's easier for me to squeeze it together. There's less air pockets, now there's more water. So as you see it, I'm wetting up my floor. My wife is going to kill me. So now as you see, it's less and less air pockets. Now the water can drip out because of the heat.
No black spots.
So now as we begin to light it, you see now the water is beginning to drip more and more, because now it's less and less air pockets. So now as I put the fire to it, you see it begin to get wet. And now, of course, it's becoming full-blown ice. So as it's full-blown ice, because it's less air pockets, now you see it begins to drip, drip, drip. And we see that it's not some weird pollution. It's actually just ice that gets air trapped into it because of the size of the snow. So that diffuses or debunks all of the crazy, weird pollution in the snow, and it's plastic and all manner of different things. So just wanted to put that out there so that that conspiracy theory has been defunct. Have a good one.